Well, howdy, happy campers. JT here, and it's another fine day out here in Southwest Oklahoma. Well, since I still got some 1,200 plus some miles to go before my 50,000 mile tips on the Prime, here's one good tip I'd like to share with you, good folks. And since I like to share to either protect or enhance the vehicle, I thought I'd make a short video here and hopefully save you some money. No need to show you my ugly mug. Cleaning windows is like the Navy's motto. It's not just a job, it's an adventure. And actually, I thought about this as I was cleaning my windshield. And so next time you clean your windshield, give this a shot. I bet you won't go back to using Windex or anything else again. Well, it's my way anyway. Fortunately, a good cleaning is pretty simple to achieve in just a few steps. This right here is a melamine foam. Pretty much the same thing used in a lot of products for cleaning. And if you haven't heard of Mr. Clean, Google it and you'll see. This is the same melamine foam used pretty much in Mr. Clean. And you can buy it a lot less price than the name brand. Used for cleaning windows, tubs, sinks, glasses, dishes, even tire rims. I've used it myself for all of that and then some. Is this safe? Well, as far as I know, it is. Alright, I'll put the link below so you can see yourself and you can research it. Again, check out when I bought it here, March 24, 2024, 45 pieces. You can buy this pretty much anywhere. Either on Amazon here, or eBay, or myself, I get it from Temu. I know, some don't want to buy there or trust them. No problem. To each his own. You decide how much you trust it and go from there. I've never gotten ripped off on Temu, so I'll keep buying from there. AliExpress, I bought from there and I did get ripped off, so no more buying it from there. Learn my lesson. Anyways, now this is my thinking. Take a look at this. I'm betting some people buy items like these on Temu and put them up for sale on Amazon for a profit. What do y'all think? Save your hard-earned money, as you don't need to waste all your money on any special gadgets or products like this one for 40 bucks. Check it out. Really? You need all those gadgets to clean your windows, windshield? No, save your money there. Alright, going back here. Plenty out there. Take a look. Here, as you can see, 50-pack melamine foam. Alright, that's like what, 30 cents each? Okay, here's 100 pieces right here, the same product. Alright, for $12. You can buy them and they're all over the place. Here's Mr. Clean, the same type of foam. Alright, but it's a name brand. And look at this, 10 counts for 12 bucks. Temu itself, right here, just to show you. Here, this is 30 pieces right here for $3. Now, is it safe? Some of you might be asking. Here it is, the website. You can look at it yourself. Research it yourself. Don't believe everything I tell you. Research yourself. Here's what it is. You can read it right there. Short answer, yes. Anyways, let's get back to the product. I think the best is to show and tell instead of all this jibber jabber. Of course, the best way to show you is before, during, and after. Here's the inside so you can see right there. The outside is not too much of a problem. Simply just like this. You use a microfiber cloth. You know, different techniques out there. Some people use newspapers, Windex, whatever you might want to try. Alright, that will work. The main concern really is on the inside when the little film is built up due to smoke and off-gassing and other stuff that accumulates the small film on the inside. But you can use just regular microfiber and water. That's it. Or, what I'm going to show you here is what I use especially on the inside. But if you want deep clean, use this. It's melamine foam. It's like Mr. Clean. It's like a soft cleaner. You can call it whatever you want. It's advertised there on the net so many times. And then just dry on the passenger. So here's the first initial one. Just like that. Turn it over. See how it's picking up all that junk. Gonna get nice and clean and we'll see what it looks like. That takes care of the first one. Let's do the second side. Get all that junk off. Get all that junk off the windshield. All right, turn it over. That's the first pass. Get all that gunk off there, like on the shower stall doors and walls. With either a dry microfiber or a wet one. It's up to you. Just like that. And I tell you, it does work. And of course, here's my bag of melamine foam. 45 pieces, and not bad for the price. It even works on your rims. And it won't damage it, so don't worry. Wipes it off just like that, nice and easy. You don't have to use any expensive products. Just wipe it on there. And you could wipe it off dry, or just leave it the way it is. But it will get it clean, believe it. And yes, like I said, it will not harm your rims or your vehicle. You wipe it off if you want. Just like that. So let me show you here what I mean. You can use this to clean your headlights too. Remember, you could use this to clean your bathroom, the glass, the stalls. It's not going to harm it in any way. Clean here. Now, will I use this on the car? Probably not. Now, how about this? Would I use it on that? I might try it now. But probably not, because it's a little abrasive. Rubbing all that across, as you see, it will take it off. But rubbing across the paint is not good. But I just want to show you that it does work. It gets smaller and smaller as you use it. I'll show you here in case you're wondering. Alright, like I said, I probably won't use this on the paint. But how about the trim, like here? Take that off. Like that. And as you can see, it picked it up here pretty good. Same thing here. There you go. Again, you could use this and spray it all over the place, make a mess. Or nice and simple, just let it soak, rinse it out there, and then use it the way it is. Just like that. And that is about it, Happy Camper. Just wanted to share that with you. Give it a shot. You won't lose anything. In fact, if you just buy this one here, you won't lose anything but $3. And you'll see, once you use it one time, you'll probably keep using it for a long, long time. Instead of Windex, all that cleaners, whether you buy Meguiar's window cleaning or Walmart windshield cleaner, you decide. It's your money. Thank you for watching. Take care, stay safe, and God bless.